Yes, of course. We have another style, another look, another style. I want to play with these really good accessories, and they are some little beard, and yes, it's yes. Li tieni così, con le manine così, un po' vicine, vicine, ok? Un po' più avanti ancora, ok? Un po' fin qua, sorry, it's important, ok. Ok, keep this near, ok? E mi guardi, ok? Io ti fotografo sempre da là. Sì, sì, adesso lo tolgo. So we turned up the set again in Rembrandt light, feathered light to simulate Rembrandt setup. Ok, Sofia, gira tutto il corpo verso di là, bravissima. Tieni gli uccellini vicini, ok? Gira un pochino, bravissima. Bravissima. Perfect, you're beautiful. Apri bene gli occhi. Brava. Bravissima. Aspetta che avvicino un pochino il pannellino che voglio avere un po' di... Ok. Ti piacciono? Sono divertenti, vero? Ok, ritorna a missare un attimino. Brava. Bravissima. Soffia. Brava. You're perfect, perfect, beautiful girl. Ok. Gira la testa in avanti come prima. No, guardami. Avanti così. Ancora lungo il collo verso in avanti. E adesso gira verso di me. Proprio così, guarda. Così e poi gira. Ok. Vieni verso di me ancora. Ancora. Stop it. Stop it. You're beautiful. Open your eyes. Apri bene. Perfect. Alza un po' il mento. Alza un po' il mento. Abbassa un po' le spalle. Ok. Guarda avanti. Ok. Ah, guarda in alto. Ancora più, more. Più alto, in cima al soffitto. Ancora, ancora, ancora. Brava. Sorry, un momento. Let's turn. Ancora un attimo, eh. Ok. Just a touch of light. Ok, this is very... Adesso guardami, stop. Soffia. Abbassa un po' il mento. Guardami, guardami, guardami. Wow. Ok, inclina un po' il viso così. Bene. Chiudi gli occhi. Stanca, è stanchissimo. But it's beautiful, beautiful. Only a moment. Some more. And we can play with little birds on this volume, on the, you know, Lady Bird. She is Lady Bird, yes. They have as clips, no?
Very practical.
See, very easy.
Clips, very easy to use.
Yeah.
And they're very light too.
Mm-hmm. See, everything is not fixed. Everything is so
In movement, no?
in movement, yes.
Position.
Yes, I would love to bring it, but we need maybe a different dress. But I think it's beautiful like this. So beautiful. Prova a mettermi la spalla un po'. Brava, stop, stop, stop. La bocca. Alza un po' il mento. Bravissima. Perfetto. Ok. Wow. And this is the result, right in camera. Okay. I think we can stop, you know. Very. Okay. So, Sofia, you were beautiful. You are such a great model. Sei stata bravissima, abbiamo fatto tantissime cose. Sei divertita? Are you happy? Have you enjoyed? Ok. Let's try to. Ti piacciono? Sono carini, vero? This is all my stuff. All my mess. It's like my world. Very beautiful. Sei stata bravissima.
The ideal model.
Yes, of course. She played. Yeah. Hi. Hello.
Oh my God.
Do you want to take the camera?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Are we? Yes? Well, no, Valeria. Well, actually, I just wanted to thank you.
Oh no, I thank you because for me it's very great opportunity to show my work, and it's
Let me
it's
get
been
a.
funny. It's been such a great experience for me.
Well, I was telling you early. I really love your photography. I don't do what you do, and that's what I love about it. You know, the difference of it. Like I approach things in a different way. So as a photographer, I really appreciate what fascinates me, what is a mystery for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know?
Because it's new.
Yes,
It's new.
exactly. For me, it's
Fashion,
different.
tutto quello che è nuovo.
Yes, yes.
And also, thank you very much,
Sophia.
Sophia. Thank you very much
been
because
very-
she has been great, honestly. She's a pro.
She's a pro, yes. She has a very
Natural talent.
natural talent.
And later also, I think we're gonna have also some, you're gonna show us, talk a
Yes.
little bit about the photographies as well.
I will post-produce one image.
Oh my God,
you
I
can-
can't wait.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would love to see it, honestly. And I
Yeah.
really thank you very much for being here.
you
And thank
too.
you very much for being part of this. And I hope you keep coming for the next things we're gonna do.
Would be,
And then, you know,
would
this
be great for me.
this facility is the house of all photographers. So yes,
Here.
you're
It's a
welcome.
paradise for
And
photographer.
y-
Yeah.
You're part of the family. So,
Yes.
well, I just wanna also, I don't know if you know this, but we have also a contest happening.
Yes, I knew, but I
You
don't
knew it?
know. I don't
Well,
know
let me
exactly.
tell you about it. It's a contest, so it's open, and this is very interesting. It comes really along the lines of what we're talking about, because it's a contest that is gonna people who are judges from WPPI and this type of photography that is actually more fashion like, and then people who is more used to photojournalism and just like capturing moments, etc., which is more like my field. They're both actually coming together and they're gonna judge this like quick contest. It's not like a real contest. It's more like an exercise.
Yes.
So because it be interesting, you know, like we have a diverse, like us, right?
Yeah.
But if we see something beautiful, we both recognize beauty, you know.
Yes,
but we
of course.
exactly, and but we see it in a different way. But it's always beauty.
Yeah.
So in this exchange, and this is what we're gonna do. So the contest is about that. It's about really creating some synergy and in unity, you know, in terms of diversities of opinions. So.
Okay.
So well,
beautiful.
so we're gonna announce it officially. The contest is open right now because it's so many people probably who wanted to enter.
Yeah.
I know that we already have a lot of people waiting for it,
Okay.
but officially it's gonna be open in a couple minutes. So I want to tell you guys, stay tuned because it's gonna be on the live. If you go to the website, you're gonna see, you know, all the specifics about how the image has to be. It's gonna be portraits, but it's gonna be different portraits. For example, it's gonna be like a portrait, you know, like the ones you execute right now, and also portraits like spontaneous portrait or something like that.
Yes.
So it's gonna be very interesting to see
Interesting,
what
very
comes out. So stay. I wanna see what's gonna happen next.
Yes, yes, I can stand.
Okay, and then actually, I feel like I understand that all the work that probably has been done here, we're gonna publish later for people to see because I'm sure a lot of people is gonna be wondering like about the photograph.
Yeah.
So later, maybe next week, or
Yes,
we
of
can
course.
we can
Why not?
publish everything on all social media.
It'd be great also for me.
Yes, exactly. So people get to know more about your work
Yeah.
and what you do. And then, honestly, you require a specific sensibility to execute stuff like that because it's also a concept in himself.
Yes.
You know, is
Everything starts with an idea.
exactly.
Everything.
It's a build-up. It's not. Yeah.
And I usually prepare this session by, with something like this.
You have an inspiration board.
Yes, mood board. It is
Yes.
great for me because it's it keeps me on my way with
Wow.
colors, with textures, with something I like to use.
I love this.
Yes, it's funny, and also my client loves it because they know.
So you go through a process with your
Yes,
clients,
yes.
right? So you interview them, you know what
yes,
they're
of
about,
course, you know.
and then you build that idea together, so it
Yeah.
feels like it's them and it's yours at the same time.
Yes, they understand that this is
Look at this.
another. This is another made for another session I did some times ago. The theme was flowers, and those colors, and I developed my concept through this inspiration.
Wow, Valeria, I love it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you
And I
very
have
much.
my inspiration photographer, my
Mhm.
guide. There are some my favorite photographer that I
Mhm.
follow and I admire so much.
Yeah.
And then I create at every moment of my life. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much again. Thank you for your patience and your kindness and everything. I love it.
Sorry.
You did great. You did great. Okay, don't feel like you did great.
Okay.